if you still want to trade drink news, you need structure, not guesswork. So this part will cover three professional news trading strategies, and particularly straddle strategy, post news structure break, and liquidity grab entry. So let's get into it. Professional methods, the first one, if you still want to trade news, is place a buy stop above range, place sell stop below range, and cancel opposite order once triggered. The risk is there slippage plus spread widening. So we'll on each part of the daily videos we can discuss detailed description if you need. We'll here just be covering the fundamentals. So we place a buy stop. What's buy stop? What's sell stop? We'll be covering on that in detail, and we cancel opposite order once triggered. Just to talk a little bit about it. What does place buy stop above range means? Well, this is let's say this is a news event, and we will okay, so let's do so. So the first one, place buy stop above range. Let's just copy this one and it will be easier. So we'll just like this. So sorry. Placing a buy stop above range means if there are significant entries as you saw earlier, which is this one, like this one. So this significant buy order were put here, and what we will be doing is we will place a buy stop level just above the potential reversal point, and if it's on the sell side, let's take this one as a spike. We will put sell order below the range where there may be significant reversal. So we'll just discuss on detail. If you need detailed expansion on that on another video, let me know in the comments, and I will get prepared and discuss with you in detail about that. So the next one will be, the next strategy will be method, which is post news structure break. So wait for initial spikes, massive spike in movement of the candle, and wait for pullback or stabilization, and wait for breakage of structure after stabilization, and you can enter with the trend. So this is safer when compared to strategy. This is very risky. So the third method and last one is liquidity grab entry. So this news causes fake breakout. So wait for reversal candle. That means after stabilization, wait for the reversal candle opposite to the fake out, and enter the opposite direction. If the massive spike was downward, and wait for the reversal candle, like breakage of structure, and enter opposite direction, which is opposite to the news event. For this, high skill is required. So to conclude, strategies don't save accounts in case of news trading. The conclusion, it's very risky to trade during news events. So risk management does actually save accounts. So let's finish with the rules that keep professionals alive on the next final video. See you.